Preparing for Microsoft's Azure AI 901 exam? Here's what you need to know about the big changes in 2026. Microsoft's Azure AI Fundamentals certification has a new exam, AI 901, which replaced AI 900. This is more than a simple update. It's a fundamental shift in focus. The old exam asked, "What is AI?" The new exam asks, "How do I build an AI app using Microsoft Foundry?" This change targets technical beginners and, for the first time in a Fundamentals AI exam, requires basic Python skills. This reflects a major move towards hands-on implementation, meaning your study plan needs to adapt to this new, practical direction. The first exam domain, worth 40 to 45% of your score, covers core AI concepts and capabilities. This isn't just theory, it's about practical understanding. You'll need to describe the 6 principles of responsible AI, from fairness to transparency. The exam will also test your ability to identify appropriate AI models based on their capabilities and describe common AI workloads like generative AI, text analysis, and computer vision. Think of this domain as the essential vocabulary you need before you start building. The biggest change is Domain 2, which makes up a massive 55 to 60% of the exam. This entire section is dedicated to implementing AI solutions using Microsoft Foundry. This isn't about describing services, it's about hands-on work. You'll be tested on creating effective prompts for generative models, deploying them in the Foundry portal, and even building lightweight chat applications using the Foundry SDK. This heavy weighting means that simply reading about Foundry isn't enough. Practical experience is absolutely essential to pass. Within the Foundry domain, you'll need to demonstrate a range of practical skills. This includes creating and testing single-agent solutions, which are a step beyond simple chatbots. You'll also work with multimodal models, interpreting visual inputs and generating new images. The exam covers building applications for text analysis and speech, using Foundry tools to respond to spoken prompts. This hands-on focus is consistent across all subdomains, requiring you to be comfortable navigating the portal, SDK, and command line interfaces to succeed. A key component of the Foundry domain is information extraction using Azure Content Understanding. This powerful tool is used to pull structured data from unstructured sources. The exam will assess your ability to extract information from various formats, including documents, forms, images, audio, and video. For example, you might need to know how to build a lightweight application that can process a form image and extract specific fields. This skill is critical for automating real-world business processes and is tested directly. To succeed, you need a structured approach. We recommend a 4-week plan. In week 1, focus on Domain 1 concepts and brush up on your Python basics. For week 2, dive into the Foundry portal. A hands-on experience deploying models and building a simple chat client with the SDK. In week 3, cover the remaining Domain 2 topics like vision, speech, and agents. Finally, use week 4 for intensive practice, taking full practice sets to identify your weak spots and get familiar with the exam format. The new AI 901 exam is a hands-on test of your ability to build real AI solutions with Microsoft Foundry. Reading alone won't be enough. To master these skills and pass with confidence, you need structured practice. Visit our full exam guide on openexamprep.com for more details and test your knowledge with our free AI 901 practice questions today.